Welcome to my channel. My name is Monica Bhaumik. I am a graphologist and a motivational speaker. So today we will learn about zone, which is one of the important topic in handwriting analysis. So let's start. First we will understand what is zone. Just imagine the human body being divided into three parts or into a three zone. So you can see a human picture over here and which is divided into three parts. The upper part of the body is called upper zone, the middle part of the body is called middle zone, the lower part of the body is called lower zone. Now we will understand what are the traits of the upper zone alphabet. The upper zone refers to the intellectual self of a person. How much the person is intellectual we can understand from an alphabet like B, K, L. All these are upper zone alphabet. It also represents area like imaginations, creativity and future look. This is also known as sphere of imagination. If your upper zone alphabet is balanced and very good, then you will be having a very good goals in your life. You will be having a very good ambition in your life. The person is very good in his planning, in his imaginations and ideas. Because upper zone alphabet में क्या है? In our upper zone alphabet we have a head, we have a brain. So everything comes from our head, from a brain. So using of upper zone alphabet is very important to grow in our life. Now we will understand about the middle zone alphabet. In middle part of the body we have heart and stomach. That means every day we deal with emotions and present day-to-day life. The person who are using more middle zone alphabet like A, O, E, exaggerated or little big or visible and not giving that much importance to a upper zone alphabet, that means the person is living in his present day, not using his brain or head in a proper manner. He is lacking in his planning, ideas, imaginations or goal setting also. Because the middle zone alphabet representing day-to-day activities, which is the stomach representing day-to-day concern, it is also called as sphere of actuality. This type of person will have a very less IQ. Because of low imaginations, the ideas will not be that much good in their life. Their main focus is on their present day. For example, going for movies, playing, going for parties, what they will be wearing today. They're completely focused on their day-to-day life. तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा? कहाँ impact पड़ेगा? Whenever ब्रेन और हेड इंडल्ज होना चाहिए था जो एक्टिविटीज़ में, सिचुएशंस में, वो वहाँ पर यूज़ नहीं करेंगे अपने ब्रेन का. then what will happen? They will not get a very good result in their life. Middle zone emphasis meaning they will get very average result in their life. बहुत average result मिलता है. Why? Because upper zone alphabet use ही नहीं हुआ है. They are not using the upper part of their body. They are not using their brain properly. They are busy with their day-to-day activities. Also, we can understand from a middle zone alphabet, either the person is having a stomach problem, digestive problem, or any type of stomach related problem we can identify from a middle zone alphabet like A, C, E, M, N. This all small letter alphabet comes in the middle zone. Now we will study about lower zone. Lower zone of the part is a leg. That means how much we are good in actioning, how much we are good in executions, like physical force in sports, what is our biological needs, materialistic needs, and etc. Lower zone represent the physical need as well as the materialistic need and biological demands for a social standing. It is also known as the sphere of unconscious. Middle zone अगर ज़्यादा है, like G, Y, J, all this alphabet comes in a middle zone area. Then the person is very good in execution, in actioning. Now, you have to understand whenever you are writing or your kids, your child, they are writing in a notebook, they have to balance all their zone. If they are balancing all their zone, then they will be very good from their mind, as well as execution will be in a very good manner as per the requirement. The most important zone is the upper zone, because the upper zone shows someone to whom mental development is more important than anything else in life, because everything comes from our mind. अगर आपका अपर जोन अल्फ़ाबेट मिसिंग है, अपर जोन अल्फ़ाबेट इनकम्प्लीट है, दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट डूइंग अ प्रॉपर प्लानिंग इन योर लाइफ. उससे क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा आपके लाइफ में? यू विल रिमेन एज ए एवरेज पर्सन इन योर लाइफ. आप प्रॉपर प्लानिंग नहीं कर पाओगे. अगर एग्जीक्यूशन कर रहे हो तो यू आर ऑलवेज डिपेंडेंट ऑन समवन फॉर ए प्लानिंग. सो बैलेंस जोन इज रिक्वायर्ड इन अ हैंडराइटिंग. सो लेट्स टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. So I'm writing a word family. F is a middle zone, upper zone as well as a lower zone alphabet, because F is having upper zone part, a middle zone part and a lower zone part also. A, M, I, you can see it is only a middle zone alphabet. That means middle zone alphabet stands or represent what? Heart and stomach. L is the upper zone alphabet and Y is the lower zone alphabet. So in this way our alphabet is divided into three parts: upper, middle and lower. Just go back to your notebooks and check what zone you are dominant to. Many of them write the family in this manner. They are not using their upper zone as well as not using their lower zone properly. So here what problem will face the person? Here what will happen? The person is not doing the person is living in his present day-to-day life or activity. Even you can see the alphabet Y. The execution is not as required. The execution part is also very less. Hope this video is very helpful to you and it has gave you a very good knowledge. Thank you.